This is the materials you need for the experiment. First is the cardboard. Next is hand pump. Next is tape. 2 plastic straws. And a balloon. And scissors. Binder clip. And a meter. And lastly, a nylon string. As you can see to the video, they are hand pumping the balloon that will be used for the experiment, and they will put a binder clip to it. As you can see, they are already combining the materials that we have, the cardboard, binder clip, and the 2 balloons that will be held together. In this part, they are already hand pumping the balloon between the cardboard. As you can see to this part of the video, they already put the straws on the top of the balloon. The straws will be used for the nylon strings that will hold the balloon that will perform the 2-stage rocket balloon. And now they're almost done on taping the plastic straws to the balloon, and we will see how they will perform the experiment. This is the slow motion part of the experiment.